So ngayon naman guys, mag-book tayo sa Klook. Hanapin natin at pindutin ang flights. From Manila going to Taiwan. Seven days flight from October 25 to October 31. Select economy flight. Select 2 adults and 1 infant. Pili lang tayo ng oras at kung magkano yung flight. Total price natin is 12,585 pesos round trip price per person. From October 25 to 31, Manila to Taipei, Taipei to Manila, 37,866 pesos. Lagay lang natin yung contact details natin. Reynalyn Campomanes. And country, Philippines. Phone number. Next step, makikita natin yung tickets, 2 adults and 1 infant. Next naman, hotel. Two adults with 1 room. Ang date ay October 29. Select 3-star hotel. Q Hotel Taipei. 4,184.6 per night. Kikita rin po natin yung mga naka-include sa hotel.